Hey everyone! Welcome to the Radiant Clues.
Today we are going to look at 5 psychological tricks to make anyone miss you. Now let's begin. 1. The worst thing you'll most likely do. Imagine this. You're in a relationship with a man, and things appear to be going well, but gradually, you notice he doesn't call or make plans as often as he used to. It's natural to get worried and bring it up, but after you bring it up he simply says, he's been having a busy time, or even denies that he's been distant. But instead of backing off on the conversation and focusing on things you can do about it, you press harder, asking him if he still finds you attractive. You get anxious and you begin to observe him more closely, looking for signs that something is wrong. One of the things people do when they want their partner to miss them is that they complain about their partner not missing them. This, however, will most likely do more harm than good. It often comes off as naggy or needy. If the problem in the relationship is your partner not missing you as he or she used to, then there are better ways to go about it. Nagging or complaining is more likely to push them further away. 2. Be someone worth missing. We only miss people who have a special place in our hearts, whether that person is a romantic partner or not. If you share special, happy moments with someone, you'll surely miss them when you're apart. Your partner cannot miss you if you don't have anything special with him or her yet. In psychology, there's a phenomenon called the dopamine-seeking reward loop, and it explains that when we have great experiences, the type that triggers a rush of dopamine us, we attach that great feeling to the person we were with at that time. Meaning, when you think of that person, you also get a rush of dopamine associated with the experiences you've had with them. This is one of the best ways to get someone to miss you. Doing fun and adventurous things together won't only trigger a dopamine rush, it will also help your bond stronger on an emotional level. When you're not together, your partner will think of the good times and will not be able to wait to meet you again the next time. 3. Balance communication. One of the major things that can quickly make your partner want less of you is over-communicating. Indeed, when you love someone, you want to stay in touch with them as much as possible. Staying in touch through texting or phone calls when you're not together is a good way to compensate for being apart. However, some people get carried away and over-communicate. Over-communicating is when you're always the one initiating the contact. Communication should be balanced. If you're always the one texting first morning, afternoon, night, then you might come off as needy to some people. Someone who cares about you will deliberately want to also initiate things with you because he or she doesn't want you to feel they don't care. The key to making someone miss you is simply making them want more of you. If you over-communicate, you reduce the chances of this ever happening. 4. Mystery. One reason we find celebrities so amusing is because of how we'll play the part of being this mysterious, elusive personality that no one can get a grasp of. Whenever there's a major event, like an award night, they dress up in unexpected and unconventional outfits. Sometimes they'll look like angels, other times they look extremely seductive. Whether these celebrities do it deliberately or not, the mystery these outfits create in people only adds to their allure. Not knowing what to expect from them, we are always eager to see what's in store. The diverse fashion also makes them hard to figure out, all of which makes them more exciting to the public eye. Learn to create a little mystery. This, of course, doesn't mean you lie about the things you do. For instance, if you're going with your parents for dinner, and you want to let a guy you just met know about it, you don't need to let him know it's with your parents unless he asks. Unfold a bit more of yourself as you get more intimate with someone. Too much, too soon rarely does any good anyway. 5. Share highlights. When a guy or girl you're attracted to is having fun with their lives, without you, it makes you want to be a part of it. This is partly because we all want to be a part of something positive. We want to be with people who are living fully and who love their lives. If you're active on social media, share fun moments with friends. Share photos of the dinner you had with your family on Sunday evening. Showing that you have your life together without someone shows your level of self-reliance. You send the message that you're not needy and you're not in a relationship with them out of desperation.
Hey, thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe because more incredible content is on the way.